Hello students, in this video we will study about the rational numbers as decimals. The question type is how to simplify and express the number that is given to us in a lowest form of rational numbers. So you all can see the question on the screen, that is 0.196 divided by 1.4 upon 0.004 upon divided by 0.02 plus 7 by 2 minus 11 by 8. So first of all, by BODMAS rule, here there are no brackets, we will only use the DMAS rule. So by using DMAS rule, first of all we will solve the division part. So I am just taking the division part separate for explanation. 0.004 divided by 0.02. I am opening each and every part so that it will easily understood to you. So I am first taking the 0.196 divided by 1.4. So first of all, let us open the number and write in a p by q form. 196 upon 3 zeros, 1 2 3, so 3 zeros, divided by 14 upon 10. Now I know the division is of the number is of division. It can be reciprocated and it will be 196 upon 1000 into 10 upon 14. So 0 and 0 will cancel out, 14 on 1 and it is 14. So the residue with me is 14 upon 100, that is 0.14. And let me solve the denominator also, that is that 0.004 divided by 0.02. Actually I am dividing it differently so that it is clear to you all. So it will be written like 4 upon 1000 divided by 2 upon 100, and therefore again it can be reciprocated, 4 by 1000 into 100 by 2. Now so 0 and 0 will cancel out with this, it will cancel out on 2 and the answer is 0.2. You can keep it like this only. If you want to keep, you can just keep it like 2 upon 10 and this can be kept like this. So if I will put the values here, 0.196 divided by 1.4 is 14 by 100 and it is divided by 2 by 10. So 14 upon 100 into 10 by 2. I have simply wrote division between, I have not done its upon because it can create confusion. Better to write division sign here than to write like in this form. So the final answer with this is 7 upon 10, that is 0.7. Or I can write 7 upon 10 also, it's your choice. Now the first part of division is done. So this part, the answer is 7 by 10. This is my final answer. So now 7 by 10. I have written it 7 by 10 only from in place of this. Plus 7 by 2 minus 11 by 8. The sum that was I having. So again now division done. Now addition will be done. First of all, we will make the denominators common. So it will be 10 and hence 7 plus 7, 2 into 5, 10. So 7 into 5, 35 minus 11 by 8. So it will become 42 upon 10 minus 11 by 8. Again now the last one, subtraction. So the LCM of 10 and 8 will be 40. When you will take the LCM of 10 and 8, 2 into 5 and 2 into 4, the answer will be 40. And Hence, to make 10 as 40, I will multiply 4. So 42 into 4 will be 168. Now, and minus 8 into 5 is 40 and 11 into 5 will be 55. So my final answer is 8 minus 5 3, 5 minus 6 1 and 1 upon 40. So this is my final answer for the simplification. I will again repeat. First of all, we will use the Demar's rule. I have solved the division method. You can solve it like this also separately, so that you can get the answer and no problem will be there. Then you can add with it and then subtract because of the Demar's rule. Now the next question here is 0.2 into 0.02 into 0.06 upon 0.1 into 10 into 0.01 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. Again, with the Demar's rule, if I will see, I have to first do the multiplication part because there is no division. So first of all, to clear this one big lot, what will I do? I will take it separately to solve it. Now first of all, I will open the numbers and write in P by Q form. Here 0.2 can be written as 2 by 10 into 2 upon 100 into 6 upon 100 upon 1 by 10 into 10 into 1 upon 100. And if I want, I can write that these numbers are dividing with these numbers. So if I will take the reciprocal, it will be 10 upon 1 into 100 upon 1 into 10. So now reciprocal means the numbers in the denominator here goes up and these comes down, and this is the form now I am having. After this, I will cancel out the numbers that are cancelling out with each other. 10 and 10, 100 and 100. No one else is cancelling out. So now, I'm not cancelling out 2 with 10 to make it 5 because it will not cancel out with any other number. I will directly multiply it. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 6 is 24 upon 100 into 10, 1000. That can be represented as 0.024, or I can write in this form only. Now minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. So the term with it is 0.024 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. First of all, I will do the addition part. So I can rearrange and write 0.024 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. I will take the LCM here. It is 1. I can also take it with 1000, but better to solve it with decimal form. So better to do it like this. Now the LCM will be 3, of course. So if I multiply 0.024 into 3, first of all multiply 24 by 3. 24 into 3, the answer will be 72, and I will just put the decimal. So 72 0.0 plus 1 minus 1 by 4. So as the number is without decimal, it will be 1.072 upon 3 minus 1 by 4. Now subtraction. So first of all, LCM, 3 and 4 are the co-primes. So 3 into 4 is 12. Now 4 into 1.072. So 4 into 1.072, 248, 7428, 2.4. I can directly do it with decimal also. If you are not comfortable with decimal, you can do without decimal and then can put the decimal. So it is 4.288 and 4 into 3 is 12. So 1 into 3 is 12. 3. Now I have to subtract 3 from this. First of all, you all must know how to write it. So I will write like this, because 3 is without decimal. I can write it like this, 3.00, and the answer will be 1.288. So the final answer is 1.288 upon 12, or I can write 1288 upon 12 and 1000, because I have to represent the number in the rational form. I hope these two questions are clear to you, and you will be able to do the questions similar in your worksheet and your brain teasers. Thank you.